On the 23rd of October 1954, the first Egyptian bullet was produced at Shobra Engineering Industry, Factory 27, a day that was considered to be the military production day. Military factories were established in order to manufacture ammunition, explosives, and various weapons to meet the needs of the Egyptian armed forces. Eventually, the Egyptian military industry flourished and was able to become an industrial fortress that met the needs of the armed forces. With the increase of the production capacity of the military production companies, the surplus of such capacities was used in the production of various civilian items and the participation in implementing national development projects in an effort to serve the Egyptian citizens by taking advantage of the distinguished technological, manufacturing, and human capabilities of a system that believes in challenge and equal opportunity. We now have 19 military production companies, 16 of which are industrial companies. There is also a company for construction and engineering projects, the Center for Information Systems and Computers, a scientific and technological center of excellence, in addition to many important sectors and units, on top of which comes the Central Ranges sector and the training sector. Among the most important military products of the military production companies are the raw materials used in the manufacture of military products, small, medium, and heavy ammunitions, missile systems, mortars, rocket artillery, explosives, and biotechnical materials, tanks, armored vehicles with all their armament systems and equipment, as well as such companies also produce small and medium arms, electronic systems and equipment, in addition to the production of protective gear and equipment. The Central Ranges sector conducts all tests of ammunition and missiles in accordance with military specifications. On the other hand, civil products and systems vary, including industrial development equipment such as lathes, drillers, pressers, diesel engines, electric engineering units, electric motors. Agricultural development equipment such as pivotal irrigation systems, grain harrows, earth moving, mowers, cultivators, plows, threshing, winnowing, and shifting machines. Metal products and feeding industries. The subsidiaries produce casting, pneumatic transmissions, car wheels, shock absorbers, strapping gear, chamfers, pistons, rollers, drums, brake discs, cement grinding cores, railroad brake bits, aluminum and copper alloys, and rolled steel plates. Chemical products for military production companies include paints, formaldehyde, detergents, hexamine, gelatinous dynamite, explosive wick, and safety wick. In the field of household appliances and durable goods, we produce water heaters, stoves, refrigerators, deep freezers, air conditioners, automatic washing machines, box and ceiling fans, and LED screens. Among the most important civilian products are utensils and cutlery made of pure aluminum and stainless steel, in addition to manufacturing foil for all kinds of industrial and domestic use. Military production provides technological services such as call centers, video conferencing systems, network construction, electronic messaging systems, the creation of aggregated database, archiving and automation systems, resource management systems, remote education systems. The subsidiaries also produce various products such as gas cylinders, powder, liquid, carbon dioxide fire extinguishers, trucks, trailers, bread production lines, food and aerosol cans, surveillance cameras, bag detectors, metal detectors, security gates, food carts for youth projects, stadium chairs, artificial turf, industrial straws, printed circuits, calendar batteries, and hunting cartridges. Since the beginning of the spread of coronavirus, production lines have been developed to produce ethyl alcohol and disinfectants for hands, surfaces, and floors, in addition to manufacturing medical masks of all kinds. Military production companies also participate in projects that contribute to protecting the environment, such as the establishment of the desalination plants, water treatment and purification, and the establishment of waste recycling plants. Many products are also produced that contribute to the rationalization of electricity and water consumption, such as LED bulbs, smart water savers, solar energy systems and panels, smart and prepaid electricity, water, and gas meters. Participation in national projects include detonation systems, comprehensive health insurance systems, television monitoring system for stations for the Ministry of Electricity, road construction, design and implementation of electronic gates, attendance and departure systems, and surveillance cameras, archiving and management of ration card system, comprehensive health insurance system, drug tracking system, agricultural quarantine system, Ministry of Manpower system, the agricultural tenure system, and the insurance of the farmer's card. The Ministry of Military Production also possesses many technological capabilities, production lines with a large production capacity, metal foundry lines, heat treatment furnaces, surface treatment lines, paint lines, plastic injection machines, as well as advanced laboratory capabilities, as well as CNC metal forming and working machines such as milling, turning, grinding, plasma and flame cutting, laser cutting, water, presses, rolling machines for steel, copper, and aluminum, welding, balancing, and drilling. In the field of research and development, the Ministry's Center for Scientific and Technological Excellence implements research activities in cooperation with various research bodies in Egyptian and foreign universities with the same aim of modernizing and developing existing products, producing new products, or developing the same production techniques. In the field of construction and contracting, the Military Production Company for Projects Engineering, Consultation, and General Procurement plays a distinguished role in the implementation of major national projects. In the field of training and education, the training sector prepares and qualifies leaders to take over for higher jobs, workers nominated for promotion, occupying new jobs, and new workers in military production, developing language skills and skills using computer. For advanced industries, the training sector also includes many laboratories and workshops. Moreover, there is an Academy of Engineering and Advanced Technology that follows the military production, and it aims to graduate qualified engineers in the fields of mechanical, chemical, and electrical engineering. To complete the system, a specialized medical center was established in Helwan, Cairo. It is one of the affiliated units that aims to provide qualified and specialized treatment for workers in the Ministry of Military Production and their families, as well as civilians who frequent the medical center from outside the ministry, and to provide integrated health care within distinguished professional values developed and safe within the reach of everyone, taking into account quality standards. In order to play an effective role in the sports and social field, the Ministry of Military Production has established social clubs for its workers, which are located in Helwan and Nasr City areas. These clubs are characterized by wide green spaces, various recreational activities, military production companies are keen during their presentation of their various products to implement the provisions of quality control and assurance on a continuous basis on these products during the various stages of production until the product comes out in its final form. Care is also taken to manufacture civilian products for military production companies at competitive prices and according to the latest manufacturing technologies. There are many sales outlets and exhibitions where civilian products for military production are available in the various governments of the Republic of Egypt. Over the past years, the ministry has started to move strongly towards localizing and transferring the latest global technologies in various fields to its companies and subsidiaries, including electric vehicles, solar panels, etc. And work is constantly done to develop new production lines and refurbish old ones in various companies. Thus, the Ministry of Military Production continues its journey of giving and achievement, which began since the dawn of civilization in Egypt, to remain as the pioneer of the national industry. May God preserve the land, honor, and dignity.